In the Territory, they do things a little bit different. Whether it's racing boats down a dried up creek bed 4,000 kilometres away from the nearest ocean, or taking a tinny made of beer cans out here, where these guys hide. Yep, people train all year for this one. But there's one day that Territorians love the most: Territory Day. Territory Day is a chance for Territorians to celebrate this incredible place that they call home. Territory Day celebrates the Northern Territory achieving self-government from the Commonwealth on July 1st, 1978. Ever since this day, the Northern Territory has celebrated Territory Day every year. The highlight of this day has to be Cracker Night. On July 1st, the Territory becomes the only place that you can legally buy and set off fireworks. In fact, there seems to be more people here selling fireworks on Territory Day than what there are flower stalls for Mother's Day. Fireworks can legally be set off from 6 p.m, not a minute before. If you do, you get a big fine. Each year, Territorians buy and set off almost 300 tonne of fireworks across the Territory. And if you're in Darwin, the best place to view some of the fireworks is at Mindil Beach. Here the fireworks light up the sky and then get to reflect in the ocean below. The city skyline looks amazing with all the colour. If you're looking for something to do on July 1st, come to the Territory and enjoy Territory Day. See you in the NT.